Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find products to sell on Amazon FBA. Let's get started. Finding the right products is absolutely essential for building a successful Amazon FBA business. You need to identify items that are already demonstrating strong sales performance but aren't completely oversaturated with too many competitors. This careful balance between demand and competition is where having the right research tools makes all the difference, and that's exactly why I consistently rely on Sell the Trend for my product research needs. Here's exactly how the process works, step by step. Once you log into your Sell the Trend account, you'll land on their powerful Smart Hub interface, your complete dashboard for everything e-commerce. This platform provides you with AI-powered product research tools that analyze market data, and it even allows you to research competitors by examining successful stores to see what's working in the current market. From this dashboard, navigate to the Nexus AI Products section, where you'll find insights into trending products. You can filter results to show items marked as top in US or tariff-free, making it efficient to identify high-demand products with strong sales potential. Each product displays its total sales numbers and winning score directly in the preview, helping you quickly identify promising opportunities. When you find a product that looks promising, click to open its analytics dashboard. Here you'll see detailed charts showing sales trends, revenue estimates, and demand patterns over time. As you scroll down, you'll discover which suppliers are successfully fulfilling these products and see stores that are currently marketing them effectively. For Amazon FBA specifically, always use the Find on Amazon button to check the product's actual listing. Make sure to install the DS Amazon Quick View browser extension, as this shows the product's bestseller rank and reveals how many FBA sellers are already offering it. Crucial information for validating both demand and competition before sourcing. The entire research process takes just minutes, but provides everything you need to make informed decisions about which products to source. Plus, with Sell the Trend's 14-day free trial, you can test all these features completely risk-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more Amazon FBA tips. Try Sell the Trend's free trial using the link in the description to start finding winning products today.